Create transparent overlapping shapes with a stroke color of your choice. Select all the shapes and group them. Open the Appearance panel. Click on the FX icon. Path. Outline stroke. Click on the FX icon. Pathfinder. Merge. Place Merge below Outline stroke. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. I use an offset of 15. Joins, round. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. This time I use an offset of -15, and again I make the joins round. Select both the offset path effects and place them below Merge. You can use the Direct Selection tool to move the circles. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator tutorials.